Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to explore this beautiful home. We are in Bastrop, Texas. And Bastrop is a city that is growing. There are new subdivisions, there are new homes, and at the same time there are also companies moving to here to Bastrop because we are about 30 minutes from Austin downtown and also 30 minutes from the airport, the main airport in Austin. So it's a great location, and at the same time from this house the stores and restaurants are about like 6 minutes from here, and the grocery store is maybe like 10 minutes or less from here. So everything is very central. Even the principal highway, which is the 71 here in Bastrop, that one is about 5 minutes from here. So it's very central. Even here inside this subdivision, the name is the Colony. This subdivision has an elementary school inside because it's a master plan designed, for the different builders. In this case, David Weekley is the one who built this home, and we're going to explore it. And thank you so much, David Weekley, for allowing us to show this home. And yeah, let's explore it. And at the end of the video, we're going to see the numbers. That means that I'm going to show you the HOA fees or the taxes, or numbers like that are going to be helpful for you, so that way you can we can sit down and check in the computer just to have an idea of how much it will be your monthly payment for the mortgage. But remember, it will be an example, just an example. The real numbers will be with the mortgage broker. Okay, and let's start. Okay, my friends, so let's start exploring, and let's do it at first here outside, so that way you have an idea of how the neighborhood looks like. As we can see, there are green areas, walking sidewalks, the houses around are recently built, and yeah, this is the way. Even the trees are very small because of course they are brand new. And as we can see, we got 2-car garage here, and the face of this house, this house was already built and they are selling it the way it is. But if you would like to build again the same floor plan in another lot, you can do it, and then you can pick how will be the face of your house, because there are other 2 more options, so you can decide for which one you like. And here, as soon as we open, we're going to see the hall, and here on the left there is a bedroom and a bathroom. But let's go inside so that way you have an idea of the size. As we enter here, I would like to say that this is the first bedroom that we are exploring, and this house has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. You can add a 3rd bedroom if you like. Of course, this house was already built the way it is, but like I said, if you would like to rebuild it again, you can do it. And here we have the walk-in closet, and as you can see, it got a good size. I mean, you can also redesign it in the way that you like. And if we walk here in front, we're going to see the full bathroom. Let me know what you think about all the details, because I really love the colors, how the white is matching the golden. We got even light fixtures, and that's also a thing that I really love on Daily Weekly, because the houses are usually ready to get in. Like, maybe if you like to change something, it'll be little, but it's almost ready to get in. Now, after exploring the full bathroom here, let's continue with the hall. And on our left, we're going to find this closet. In my opinion, yes, it got a good size, but at the same time, I like to say that I love any closet that we can find in the houses here in the Austin area, because I haven't seen the first basement here. So, I moved from Denver, and in Denver we used to, use the basement to put all the stuff that we didn't know where to put. But here in Austin, those closets are very useful. And here in this area, we're going to find a bathroom and also the laundry room. As you can see, all the connections are ready, and the tile is very stylish for this, so it's also matching with the other bathroom. What you think about that? What you think about the bathroom? I think it's a plus. Not all brand new homes comes with that, and I think that is good because it's already done. And here, let's come here and let's explore the garage, because I would like to point different things. Like, for example, up there we got the motor to open the garage. Not all the new homes comes with that, and I'm saying it for experience. And then here we are seeing the tubes that is going to help us to add the water filter system, which is very, in my opinion, is something that I recommend it. You don't have to, I just recommend it because the water has so many minerals here and it's good for you to protect your plumbing systems. And here we have the irrigation system, which it is automatic. I mean, you can program it, and depending how many days would you like to, maybe once a month, I mean once a week, twice a week. Usually I have seen when it's very dry here in this area, it's usually once a week. And here I forgot to point that this is for the electric cars. So if you have an electric car and you would like to charge it in your house, this house already has it, so it's a super plus because right now that is super trending. And now let's come back to keep exploring the house. I love the flooring. Let me know what you think about that. And here we're going to find a flexible room. This is not a bedroom since it doesn't have a closet. It's more like a, extra room for a maybe studio or office, gym, however you like to use it. But in this same space where we are, you can, if you would like to rebuild this home in another lot, in that space is where the third bedroom will be. And here, as we come in here, we're going to see an open concept, which I really love it, and I really love all the colors because they are, they keep the same color palette around the house, and it really makes it feel very harmonious. And here we're going to see the island, and as you can see here, there are 3 stools. But I mean, depending on how big is the stool that you're going to place here, because if it is maybe even slimmer, maybe you can even put 4, but well, depending on how would you like to design your house. I also like the light fixtures here. That is something, like I said, that I love from David Weekley. Look at all the colors. You got blue with golden and white with golden. Even the light has golden, so it's super harmonious. I love all the colors. Up there, they don't have those cabinets because that is an upgrade, or it's even something more for the owner after you buy your home that you can do it. Here we also have a gas range, and it's something important because there are people that like gas and other people like electric. But so that way you have an idea of how it is in this area. And here we have the pantry. Let me know what you think about the size. Is this a good size for you, or maybe would you like it a little bit bigger? We still have more cabinets all around here, the kitchen, up there, and even the bottom. And here, even in the island, we got more cabinets, so that way we got more room all around. But yeah, let me know what you think about the view from here, from the kitchen. I really love it. Now let's continue our walk here. We're going to find the dining area, and as you can see, this table is pretty long because there are 8 chairs here, so that way now you can imagine how big it is. Yeah, and even if you have a smaller table than this, well, you even will have more space, to put maybe some furniture that help you with storage and things like that, so you can keep your house very tidy and organized. And as we move to this new area, well, this is more like the living space, and as you can see, well, we have couch that is more for like 3 people with a chair here, so that way you can imagine how big is the space. But here, look at that, on the right side there is even more space, and that TV even looks small in that wall. So, well, I'm just pointing these things so that way you can have an idea for your furniture in this space, depending on how big is your TV or how big it is your living furniture. And as we enter here, we're going to see the principal bedroom. Here in this principal bedroom, there is an upgrade that you can add it, which is extending the bedroom a little bit more, so that way it can get bigger. I'm not sure if this bedroom was already extended or not, but it feels very spacious because that bed that is right here in front of us, it is a king size, and then we even have more space for those 9 stands, so I think it's very spacious. And as we enter here, we're going to see the principal bathroom. I love the light fixtures, and they keep it the same, very homogeneous for both of the bathrooms, so they make it feel really well organized and more appealing, for the eyes, super modern. Now as we enter here, we're going to see also now the shower. There is also an option for you if you like to build this floor plan again. You can build a shower plus the bathtub. If you're interested in that, well, so let us know, and then all of those upgrades are going to change the price. And here is the water closet, where I don't know, but I love that, so much privacy. And here there is another closet, and what do you think about that? But I really love it because we can put all the pillows and blankets and all big things that we really don't know where to put, and I love this closet here. Now we are entering into the principal closet, and for me, I think the space is pretty good, and you can even redesign it if you like it. I work here with an interior designer in Austin that she's really good, and at the same time she has really good prices. She's not pricey, she has the correct price, and I think her work is super good. You should contact her for sure. Now that we are coming back in here, and before we go in and explore the outside area, I like to point all these windows because they really help bring in all the light to the house. And even this door has, the full window there. I love that. What do you think about that? Because in my opinion, I am fascinated how big it is. But remember, this is an upgrade that was added to the floor plan. The basic floor plan doesn't come with this big covered porch. So if you like to add it to your house, or for example, you like to rebuild again this house or this floor plan, this is the option for you. And now, well, I just like to remember you that here in Austin area there are great opportunities for you to invest, even in commercial or residential. If you have any question, let me know. I am a friendly investor agent. Now let's explore the numbers. Okay, my friends, now that we are here in front of the computer, we can easily find a mortgage calculator in Google, and you can decide which one you like. This is just an example. Most of them are going to ask you for the home price, the down payment, the interest rate. But well, that's why I'm giving you all of this information, so that way you can play with the numbers. And now in this case, this is the price for this house. Remember, this house has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, and if you would like to add an additional bedroom, well, you can do it if you are the owner, or if you would like to build the floor plan again and change the study for a 3rd bedroom, you can do it as well. Of course, by the time the price will change, but for right now, this is the price. The down payment, the example is 4%. This is up to you. The long term usually is 30 years. The interest rate, as an example, is 6.8%, but remember, the interest rate change all the time. And now we also see that the property taxes for this community is 2.4173%, which percent of this. And also, well, depending on what is the value that the city is going to decide for that property. The city also have a different value, different than the comparable market analysis that a realtor or an appraiser can give you. The city will decide for another price. If you think it's very high, you can protest for that with your county. And now for the home insurance, usually it can be $900, but of course this will depend on the insurance that you like. You would like to cover more stuff, though it might be more expensive, but this is, remember, an example. The PMI will be with your financial institute. The HOA for this subdivision is $66.57 per month, and if you multiply that by 12, you get approximately $800 per year. And the other costs are usually for the closing costs. Sometimes there are surprises or costs that you were not thinking on that, like, for example, I don't know, the insurance now is a little bit higher, or the title company, or maybe you would like to have an attorney or things like that. So it's better for you to have something like a saving. Usually is from 1 to 3% of the purchase price, but in this case I put 2,000 because right now sellers and builders, they would like you to buy a house, so they want to help you. So that's why I put it a little bit lower. So if we do calculate here, we have an example of $2,440 per month. And remember, this is an example. The down payment probably might be something close to the $16,000. And this says here, it says that the property taxes, this is for the 30 years, and this is for the monthly, and this one will be included in when you're paying your mortgage. Your mortgage usually will include the payment of the property taxes as well. So your bank is going to open an escrow account for you. When you make your monthly payments, you're going to pay for the principal, for the interest, for your taxes, and maybe another insurance that it is this one, the PMI. And yeah, an idea for you, but remember, this is just an idea, an example. You also can consult with your expert in this area, probably a loan officer. This says that the mortgage paid off date might be January 2054, but if you would like to pay a little bit faster, this is just an idea that I got it from a loan officer I'm sharing, but remember to consult with your expert. The idea is that if you would like to pay it off a little bit faster, you can pay one extra payment. Instead of paying 12 payments in a year, you can do 13 payments in a year. So that way this one will shorter the time, for your paid off time, and also will shorter the total interest that you're going to pay for the house. But remember, it's an idea. If you would like to consult with a loan officer, let me know. I work with a great loan officer here, and it can help you. Okay, thank you. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for visiting the channel. And if you have any question about this home, the subdivision, let me know. My phone is 720-292-9541. I'm here to help you. My name is Helen Gibson, and I am a realtor. If you also would like to ask about the investment opportunities that we have here in Texas, let me know. We are doing fix and flips, and we also investing in apartment buildings. So this is more like a syndication. But at the same time, if you would like to learn how to do that, or you would like to, know us to see how we're doing the stuff, or tour one of the apartments complex and to see how we manage them, let me know, because that way, we can meet and also show you that. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope you're having a great night and a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.